Okay then. So good afternoon all.
Yes, afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. Last class we discussed the chapter. Which chapter? Which chapter we discussed? We discussed the chapter 3. What's the name of the chapter? What is the name of the chapter? What's the name of the chapter? Third chapter?
Number.
The chapter
Number.
okay, and we saw one digit numbers. We saw one digit numbers. Amman, please unmute. Which are the one digit numbers? Which are the one digit?
Undigit number, single digit number.
Which are they? Which are they? Which are the one digit
1, 2,
numbers?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Is there 10? Is there 10? No. No. Very good. Very good. Okay. So last class we discussed about one digit number. Very good, Aman. Okay. Sarah, which is the smallest one digit number?
1.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Lakshana, what is the biggest one number?
9.
Nine. Very good. All are remembering. Very good. Very good. Okay. Today, just first of all, we will talk about the number 0. Okay. So we already studied circle, and circle has no corners and no completed, no corners and no sides. Circle has no sides, no corners. If it is nothing, which number we will write? Which number we will write?
0.
Zero. Okay. So if there is nothing, we can write the number 0. If there is no object, we can write the number 0. Or we can write 0. The number 0 can be written as a small circle. Yes? The number 0 is small circle. Okay. Now, next we are going to discuss counting by tens. Counting by tens. All are ready with the matchsticks?
Yes.
Ready with the matchsticks? Show me the matchsticks. Show me the matchsticks. So, okay. So now, first of all, please listen to ma'am. Okay. First of all, please listen to ma'am. So, we saw yesterday up to 9. Now we are going to talk about 10 onwards. The numbers 10 onwards. So I have some sticks with you, with me. Okay. I have some sticks with me. See, these are some sticks. Okay. So how many are there? How many are there? How many are there? See, how many are there?
1.
Listen to me. Take now. All of you, please listen to ma'am first. Okay. You will do with me later. Now listen to ma'am. Okay. 1. This is here only 1. Okay. Now I'm one more I added. Now how much? How much now?
2.
Now one more.
3.
Now.
3.
Now after 3 I added one more.
4.
Now I have 5. Okay. Now I have. Okay. Now I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again I added one more. 6. I added one more. I added one more. 7. Okay. Again. 8. Now 9. Now here I have 9. I'm adding one more to the number. Okay. Listen here. I am adding one more to the number 9. One more to the number 9. Now I have how much? Now I have 10. I have 10. Now I am making this as a bundle with a rubber band. Okay, I have a rubber band. Okay, I am making this with this. I am taking this rubber band. I am making a bundle of 10 sticks. Okay, now I have a bundle of sticks. Okay, so how many sticks are there in this bundle? How many are there?
10.
There are 10 sticks. So 10 sticks make 110. Okay, 10 sticks bundle, then it will make 110. 110 means 10 itself. 110 means 10 itself. So this is a bundle of 10 sticks. This is a bundle of 10 sticks. Now I'm going to write, okay, on the board. Then you will understand more about it. Let me share the screen, okay? Let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. Some are talking. No, I need to write now. Listen to ma'am first. Listen to ma'am first. Okay? Listen to ma'am first. So I show you sticks. Now I am taking what? Matchsticks. Okay? I am taking matchsticks. Okay? Matchsticks. So you will take a matchstick. You will take a matchstick. Not now. Let me write here. Let me draw the bundle after that. See, let me draw the bundle first. Okay. So I took matchstick. Okay. So I have one matchstick. Can you see the board? I took one. Okay.
Yes.
I added one more. I added one more. So
Yes.
second one. Then I have third one. Fourth one. Then we have next one. Now how many? How much are there?
6.
Ah, 6. Very good.
6.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now I have. Now 7. Very good. Then again one more.
7. 8.
Good. Then the next one.
9.
Good. Then the last one. One more than one. Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am making a bundle. Okay. I am making a bundle with the rubber band, and I am making as a bundle. Okay. I am making as a bundle. So this all together 10 sticks are there. Okay. 10 sticks are there, or 10 ones are there. We can say 10 ones. 1, 1, 1, 1 like that. 10 are there. Okay. All together 10 are there. So I am making a bundle. No? Let's draw the bundle. How we will draw the bundle? First of all, draw 4. First of all, draw 4. And in between you can see some space. There you can draw the next 3. First of all, we will draw 4. Then we will draw 3. Again we will draw 2. Then the last one. 1. Now let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is
9.
10. Is it a 9 or 10, Jovan?
10.
So this is a bundle of 10. How many 10s are there? Bundle of how much? How many 10s are there? 1. Very good. 10 ones will make 1 10. Very clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now we can make it together. So all of you please. All of you take a matchstick. Please take a matchstick. Please take a matchstick. Okay. So take 1. Take, all of you take 1, All of you take fast. Take fast. No time. Lakshana, where is it? Where is your matchsticks?
Ma'am, I don't have.
So one. Now it's okay. It's okay. Those who don't have, it's okay. You please listen. Those who have, take it. We can make it a bundle. Okay. One. Then I am taking two. Take. I want to see. Take next one. Next matchstick. Okay. Now the third one. Okay, the third one. Third. Now we have the four. Oh, you have pencils. Very good. Okay, four. Johan, where is yours? Five.
I don't have.
It's okay then. Six. Then seven. 8. 9. And the last one, 10. Okay? All of you took 10 sticks. Allah, what are you doing there? Where is your sticks?
Ma'am, I don't have.
What happened? Okay, those who don't have, listen to ma'am. Okay? Now we can make it as a bundle. Okay? I am putting the rubber bands. So you have your own bundle with you. No? You have your own bundle. 10 matchsticks. This bundle has 10 matchsticks. Okay? 10 matchsticks. Okay. Jeffrey, and show me. Ritwik, show me. Abel CB, very good. Olivia, where is it? Esther, good. Hala, where is it? Aman, very good. Nomika. Sai Krishna, very good. Where are you? Abhinav, where is it? Sarah, very good. Shankar Krishna, Sangalp, it's good. Okay, Lakshana. Okay, Vania, Sarah, good. Okay. So you also make one bundle of 10. You understood? So one bundle of 10. Okay. So there are 10 sticks or 10 matchsticks. It will make 110. Okay? 10 matchsticks, or we can say 10 ones is equal to 110. Now let me ask you one thing. Let me ask you one thing. Let me ask you one thing. I have a bundle of 10. Yes? Okay. I am putting one more. One bundle of 10 and one more. Can you say the number? 1, 10 and 1.
11.
Very good, very good. 1, 10 and 1 will make 11. 1, 10 and 1 will make 11. Okay. Now, if I am taking one more, 1, 10 and 2 ones. 1, 10 and 2.
12.
1, 10 and 3 ones. 1, 10
30.
30.
30.
1, 10 and 4 ones. What's the number?
40.
1, 10 and 5 ones. What's the number?
50.
Okay, very good. Now let us write in the rough book. All of you please take the rough book. All of you please take the rough book. Take rough book.
Yes.
All of you please take a rough book.
Yes.
Okay. So we can write counting by tens. Counting by tens. COUNTING. Counting by tens. Counting by tens. COUNTING.
കൗണ്ടിങ് ടീച്ചർ എഴുതണ്ടാണ് ടീച്ചർ എന്താ പറയണത് കൂടെ നോക്കും
Counting by tens.
Counting by tens by
COUNTING.
tens
Tens.
counting by
COUNTING. Counting. Counting by tens. So we made one bundle of 10 that we can draw now. Okay. So we have matchsticks. One. Again we added one more. Again we added one more. Again we added one more. Like that we have 10. Okay. Like that we have 10.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you need to write.
Yes, you write in the rough book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more. So we have 10. You also please draw in the rough book. You also please draw in the rough book. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all together we have 10. 10 sticks. Or we can write 10 ones. This is 10 ones. 10 ones. 10 ones. 10 ones. So we have 10 ones.
Finish, ma'am.
So now we can draw the bundle. How we'll draw the bundle? First you draw 4. Okay. First you draw 4 sticks. Then you have gap in between the sticks. There you can draw 3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you need to textbook, workbook.
Rough book. No textbook or workbook. We are writing in the rough book. Okay. Then draw like this. Then we can see it is a bundle. It's a bundle. So we can see one bundle of 10 sticks. So this will make 110. 10 ones together will make 110. This is very important. 10 ones will make 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. Ten ones is equal to 110. A bundle of 10 sticks make 110. A bundle of 10 sticks make 110. Completed? Completed?
Finish, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next one? Next
Yes,
slide? Or we
ma'am.
can write the number
Yes,
11?
ma'am.
Okay, good. So we can write the number 11. First you draw the bundle. Okay. Draw the 4 lines. And we have 3. Then we have 2. Then we have 1. Then make it as a bundle. Then one more.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me who is talking.
Ma'am, I
Calling ma'am?
cannot see board.
Who is calling ma'am?
Hala.
Hala, say.
Ma'am, I can see no board.
You can't see your board. What about others?
I can see you.
Aman, can you see the board?
Yes.
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 You can see the board? Please check your connection.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Please switch on the video. Okay? So we have one bundle of 10 and 1. So we can write 1 10 and 1 1. Okay? 1 1. So it will make the number. Which number? Rukma, 1 10 and 1 1. What's the number? 1 10 and 1 1. What's the number? Rukma.
11.
11. Very good. So can you see the number? See the spelling of 11?
L-E-L-E. B-N-B.
V-E-N. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Very good. You continue. So we have the number 11. We have the number 11.
And when
Rukma completed 11? Rukma completed 11?
yes.
Can you show me the book? Can you show me the page?
Not finished.
Rukma, show me the page.
Not finished.
I just asked Rukma only. I can't see. Keep it properly. Keep it properly. I didn't see Rukma. It's written number 11. It started only now. Continue writing. Write fast. So we have number 11 and we can see there are 1 10 and 1 1 is there in the number 11. So shall we write it 12?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we can write the number 12.
പിന്നെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഒരു ബണ്ടിൽ മോനോട് വരച്ചേ. ഒരു ബണ്ടിൽ വരച്ചേ. 10 ഉള്ളത് 4 വരയ്ക്കാതെ. അതിൽ നോക്കല്ലേ?
How we will draw the 12? First we have to draw. First we have to draw the bundle of 10. Okay. First we have to draw the bundle of 10. So we will draw 4, then we have 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, then we will draw 2 ones. So we can see we have 1 10 and 2 ones. 1 10 and 2 ones. What's the number, Esther? 1 10 and 2 ones. What's the number? What's the number? I didn't hear. We have 12. Can you see the spelling? Can you see the spelling? 12. T W E L V E. 12. T W E L V. 12. 12. Abhinav completed the number 12. Abhinav TS.
No.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
So those who completed, just try to draw 13. Just to try to draw 13. So in the number 13 we have 1, 10 and 3 ones. So the same way we have to write up to 15, okay? And 16 we will do tomorrow, 16 onwards. So up to 15 we will do today and 16 onwards tomorrow. It's easy, no? If we understood it is easy, no? Just to draw the bundle of 10 and 1s and we can write the number of 10s and 1s. We can write the number and number name. Number name is there in the textbook. Just look it and write. 12 finish. Let me draw 13.
Yes.
Okay. So you take time and do it. No problem. Okay. I will show you how to write 13. I will show how to write 30. And we have the number 13. Okay, and we have the number 13. We have the number 13. So for that we have to draw the bundle of 10. Okay, then we have 3 ones. And we can write 1, 10 and 1, 10 and 3 ones. 1, 10 and 3 ones. Hadia, what's the number? 1, 10 and 3 ones. What's the number?
13.
Very good. The number is 13. Can you say the spelling? 13? T H T E E N. T H I R T double E N 13. T H I R T double E N 13. Okay. So we wrote the number 13. Now let us see number 40. Let us see the number 40. And we have 4 ones. So 1, 10 and 4 ones. Okay, 1, 10 and 4 ones. Sai Krishna, 1, 10 and 4 ones. What's the number? 1, 10 and 4 ones. What's the number? 1, 10 and 4. 14. Very good. Can you see the spelling 14?
F-O-R.
F-O-U-R. 14.
F-O-U-R.
T-double-E-N. 14.
T-W-E-N.
Very good.
40.
40. Okay.
Please.
Okay, now the last one, 15. Today's last number is 15. Let us draw the number 50. So we have,
Ma'am,
yes,
can you put it up?
I can't hear. Say louder.
Can you put it up?
Can you put it up? It's okay. Now it's okay. Yes. 1, 10, and 5 ones. Okay, 1, 10, and 5 ones. Fardeen, what is the number? 1, 10, and 5 ones. What's the number? 1, 10, and 5 ones. What's the number?
15.
Very good, 15. And the spelling is FIFTEEN. So this much only we have today, and it's time up. This I will put in the WhatsApp. You can write from there. Okay. I think it is clear for you all. Yes or no? Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will continue next day. Okay. So thank you. Bye bye. See you next day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.